The English alphabet. Hi everyone, welcome to our first lesson. Today we will learn about the English alphabet with American pronunciation. Repeat after me in the video. As you can see, this is the English alphabet. There's about 26 letters in the alphabet. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, L, L, M, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to share the video so others can benefit and smash that like button. Subscribe to get new posts and learn more about English.